Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert your personal WhatsApp account to a business account. Now if you're interested in doing that, then you're in the right video. So follow along as I guide you step by step. And if you find value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So with that being said, let's jump in. Now the first step, you need to back up all your chats and data. Now open your personal WhatsApp account. Now after opening, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select settings. Then select chats. Then chat backup. Now make sure you back up all your chats. Now after backing up, now the next step is to install WhatsApp Business in your device. Now open your Play Store or App Store. Then search for WhatsApp Business and install this application in your device. I've already done that. Now after installing it, the next step is to open this application. Open the WhatsApp Business application. Now agree and continue. Tap on that. Then use the same phone number from your personal WhatsApp account. So select that. Then continue and give all access and permissions to the business WhatsApp application. Now an OTP code will be sent to your phone number to verify your phone number. Now submit your name and the category. Then tap on the next button here at the bottom. So when you select chats, your conversations has been transferred from the personal WhatsApp account to business WhatsApp account. So that's all it takes for you to convert your personal WhatsApp account to business WhatsApp account. So that is for me today. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.